Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to manage background sync options. How to manage background sync options on Opera.jx. So from the home menu on the home page, open up your settings. You can use the keyboard shortcuts of print and P. Alternate and P, not print. Once it gets you to those settings, you scroll all the way down until you see site settings. Click on site settings and scroll all the way down until you see additional settings. Then click on the arrow to open up this option, which is background sync, which means recently closed tabs or sites can finish sending and receiving data. Click on it, and here you get to manage the background sync settings. Now you see, after you leave a site, if you turn this background sync on, it can keep syncing to finish tasks like uploading photos or sending a chat message. Now we have the default behavior where sites, that is the settings that sites automatically follow when you visit them. Now if you choose this option, this first option, which means that recently closed sites can finish sending and receiving data. If you do not want to allow closed sites to finish sending and receiving data, you can click this, which means that after you close this page, the task you started might not finish. So if you want to make maybe a particular site that you don't want to follow the default setting you set here, you want to give them a different setting. For example, you want to add sites that are not allowed to finish sending or receiving data. You can click on add, put the site name and click on add again. Now that means maybe here you've chosen that recently closed sites can finish, but it's a particular site you don't want to finish, you can add a particular site here. Now if you've chosen they're not allowed to finish, the particular site you want to finish, you can add it here. This affects generally, but this you can use to customize particular sites you want. It's as simple as that. That is how to manage background sync settings on Opera.jx.